And this face-off over Rahul Gandhi's Mandir remark is just intensifying. BJP has now escalated the attack on leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. Now we are getting a reaction from Sudhanshu Trivedi as well of the BJP, who has said it is Rahul's habit to insult Hindutva. Listen in.
ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का श्री राम जन्मभूमि के संदर्भ में पहला अपमान नहीं है, तीसरा अपमान है। पहला अपमान ये कि आपको निमंत्रण दिया गया डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट कि आपने जमीन आसमान एक कर दिया था कि मंदिर ना बनने पाए, मगर उसके बाद आप नहीं आए। अपमान नंबर 1। अपमान नंबर 2, नहीं आना था, नहीं आते। आपको कोई शादी में बुलाता है, आप शादी में जाइए, नहीं जाइए, समारोह में जाइए। आप ये तो नहीं लिख के चिट्ठी नहीं भेजते कि मैं आपकी बेटी की शादी में नहीं आऊंगा। आपने लिखित भेजा कि मैं राम मंदिर के कार्यक्रम में कांग्रेस पार्टी से कोई नहीं जाएगा।
So this was yet another attack coming in from the BJP's Sudhanshu Trivedi on what Rahul Gandhi had said earlier. Let me go back to my colleague Adib, who is live with us at this point in time. Adib, as we were also discussing, it's not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has raised this issue to attack the Bharatiya Janata Party, and that's what Sudhanshu Trivedi also saying, that it's perhaps a third attack. And the first insult, of course, came in the form of Congress party leaders not attending the ceremony.
Well, definitely, Hina, see, multiple invites were sent to the top leadership of Congress party, which includes Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. And now, the time and again, BJP has been attacking Congress party, saying that first they were opposing the verdict of Ram Mandir, and now, when they were invited for the consecration ceremony, the Congress party again started opposing it, and they didn't come up for the consecration ceremony. And now again, Rahul Gandhi is using the issue of Ram Mandir in his political rallies for the benefit of the Congress party. So this is how the BJP, the senior leaders of BJP, are now attacking Rahul Gandhi. But the people of Ayodhya feel, the people of Ayodhya says that the Ram Mandir is a personal feeling for us, and Mr. Gandhi is from time and again he has been attacking Ram Mandir for the political benefit of Congress party, Hina.
Right.